And if you can make yourself comfortable, even for another 5%, do whatever you need to do for that. You're feeling the support of the ground underneath you. And you scan your body. You scan if there's anywhere in your body that resists gravity. And you give permission. You give your blessing for every part of your body to flop and drop. No need to hold back. Fully supported by this magnificent globe of the earth that floats beautifully in a cosmos, in this gorgeous galaxy. You rest and you let the earth move you into space. You don't need to hold yourself here. You are being held. And if at any point your body or your being doesn't feel what I say, just be present to your own being and let that be your guide. And if you are most in the front of your brain, in your forehead, allow your awareness of yourself to move back a bit in your brain, to the center or even to the very back of your brain. So the chatter and the figuring out and the projecting and the finding out is just a little bit quietened. This is something you can do even during the day. Move your awareness of yourself backwards in the brain. And notice the softness in your whole being. Even if there are areas that don't feel as soft, there is always soft somewhere. You now feel even lighter than air. And air is softer than water, free. And as you start feeling yourself even lighter than air, you start sensing that inner freedom, that your energy can actually move beyond the local space. And usually that space has a quality of a love, gentleness, kindness. And it's funny because whenever we want to control something, and there's always something we like to control, it is being human. But it seems that we are more successful when internally we become softer and lighter, more spacious. And internally we give up that sense of control. It's the paradox of being human. When you give it up, then you can do something. You can influence it. You can find a solution. You can say what you needed to say without causing chaos. So as you are getting used to these sensations now, carry them with you in your world, in your days. Keep some of it, or even remember these. Even if you don't feel it at the time, remember these moments that we experience in the practice. Take the time to reconnect to it. Okay, from that deep space, set yourself an intention. And then when you're ready, slowly start moving.